Do you find it difficult to recognize defects in your materials and products at an early stage? Can you retrieve batches at the touch of a button? When your customers ask for certificates of analysis, do you immediately start sweating? We have the solution. With COSMO Quality Assurance, you always have the quality of your materials management under control. From goods receipt to production to returns, integrated inspection planning and quality control. Process-oriented test planning. A version-guided inspection plan can be created for each process, which regulates everything from the inspection characteristic and inspection equipment to the inspection certificate. Whether batch or serial number, the audit trail and traceability are guaranteed in all directions. The test equipment is not only managed, but also regularly qualified as part of test orders. In sample management, sampling is carried out, analyzed, and documented based on regulations. Quarantine and release management. Control the usability of your batch and serial numbers throughout the entire materials management process, including who is authorized to post what, when, and how. This will prevent you from using faulty materials. Customize specifications and certificates. Create certificates of analysis at the touch of a button. Customized specifications are recorded, checked against, and then a certificate can be issued in accordance with the customer's requirements. All changes are tracked and documented in accordance with the audit trail. This is how you prove your current product quality and strengthen the trust of your customers. With COSMO Quality Assurance, you can strengthen your processes and increase customer satisfaction. Thanks to the smooth integration into your existing processes, you minimize your workload and secure your standards at the same time. A special highlight, you can recall faulty batches immediately at the touch of a button. So you can always keep an eye on your quality throughout the entire value chain. COSMO Quality Assurance.